Actually, let me get over here. There, this is crazy, right? Reset this damn thing. I'm tripping. Okay. Anyway, here we go. Like 54 was about the best we could do as of right now. I don't and right now I can't remember what I think I got the phase amps at 250 right now. The phase amps at 250 if I can remember. And I think the max I can set it to is 350. But I wasn't sure if this battery BMS was going to handle it. So, yeah, we're going to try to change that. But let's look at these stats. And let me save this again. I'm going to put this as number 2. Save. Alright, now let's take a peep at that one. The races. Okay, number 2. Oh, no, I was wrong. We got to 56 according to this. So, yeah, this GPS didn't give me the same thing as this one did. Let's see. How can I make this damn thing full size? Okay. Let's look at that race. Number 2. Alright. We never got to 60. So we ain't gonna get a reading for 60. But we got the 50 in 7.9 seconds. That ain't too bad. 56 miles an hour. 56 miles an hour. Alright, I guess we'll try one more. We might as well just leave it on this one, I guess. Now I don't even have a GPS signal. Okay. Well, I'm gonna just let y'all see what's happening this time around. Alright, and let's go. So, I think I saw 58 on that one. Quarter mile in 18.9 seconds. That's not too bad for a bike. Gotta save that. Top speed 58 miles per hour. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Yeah, I want to definitely go ahead and post that one. And that's with no haven't even put it what do you call it, damn it, I hate my brain sometimes. Field weakening. I don't even have field weakening yet. All right, fellas, that's it.